welcome back to my channel. This is Favorn, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm back with a new makeup tutorial, and I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm going to add some white soap in order to make them look natural, and I'm doing this using my spoolie. Then I'm going to go on with my DV 2-in-1 eye pencil in order to draw the eyebrows and shape them, plus filling them in. Then I'm going to go on with my Atticus concealer in order to clean my brows. And when cleaning your brows, make sure that you start from the area near the inner corner, going to the outer corner of the brows. And at the very inner corner of my brows, I'm going to go on with my foundation that is from the BB Plus. And the reason as why we use the foundation at the inner corner is because it will be easy when blending. I'm going to use the same foundation at the upper part of my brows. Still, this will be easily blended in at the end. So now I'm going to go on with an eyeshadow brush in order to blend everything very well and to extend or spread the concealer onto the eyelid so that I can later use it as my eyeshadow base. So now I'm going to go on with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer on the eyelids. So I'm going to go on with that brown shade from the Full Faced eyeshadow tray and apply it on my crease as my transitional shade. And remember, the crease area is the area between the bone and the lid. So at the center of the lid, I'm going to go on with that shade still and blend it with the transitional shade, since today I want a nude look. I'm going to go on with that 24-hour matte eyeliner from the Kiss Beauty in order to make something like a wing. And then mascara from the Kaylee in order to give more volume to my eyelashes and to remove any eyeshadow particles. And guess what? It's now time for the face, and I'm going to start by cleaning it with a wipe. Then I'm going to go on with my classic makeup primer in order to give a longer lifespan to my makeup throughout the day. With the foundation, I'm going to apply BB Plus foundation in the shade number 3, and please don't choose too much amount. Then I'll go on with my beauty blender in order to blend in the foundation into the skin. Then with highlighting the T-zone area, I'm going to go on with the Atticus concealer. I'm so sorry, I applied the contour and the setting powder of camera, and now I'm back with eyeliner on the lower part of my eyes. With the setting spray, I use the LA Girl. Highlight, I'm going to use the one from the Favorn Vivid Baked Highlighter on my cheekbones, my nose, every part you're going to see. Then I'm going to apply the Vivid Brusher in order to give more warmth to my look. Now with the lips, I'm going to use my DV 2-in-1 lip pencil to line them. Then I went on and applied some concealer. Later on, I applied my nude lipstick. Then twinned my lips in order to blend the lipstick very well. Yeah, how is it so far? So I then went on and applied my false eyelashes in order to make the look more popping. And yes guys, this is the final look. Let me know if you try it out, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. In case there is any video you'd like to see me do next, drop it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.